Rumi, a 13th century Persian poet, theologian, and mystic, left behind a treasure trove of profound and spiritually rich poetry that continues to inspire and resonate with people worldwide. Here are some of Rumi's top quotes and their impact they had on me. Welcome to Verbal Voyager. Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray. This quote encouraged following my passions and inner calling. It urged individuals to trust their instincts and pursue what genuinely brings them joy and fulfillment. The wound is the place where the light enters you. Rumi's perspective on pain and healing suggests that our vulnerabilities can lead to spiritual growth and enlightenment. It emphasizes finding strength and wisdom in difficult experiences. Do not be satisfied with the stories that come before you. Unfold your own myth. Rumi's emphasis on personal discovery encourages individuals to craft their unique paths. It inspires self-discovery and the courage to live authentically. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. This quote reminded me of my immense potential and inherent connection to the universe. It encourages to recognize my significance and embrace my power. And what is your understanding of this quote? Let me know in the comments below. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Rumi's wisdom about personal growth and change urges self-reflection and emphasizes that true transformation begins within oneself. The garden of the world has no limits except in your mind. This quote by Rumi suggests that the possibilities in life are vast and boundless. It encourages individuals to transcend mental limitations and recognize that the true limitations exist within the confines of one's own thoughts. It inspires a mindset shift toward exploring endless opportunities and potential. Why do you stay in prison when the door is so wide open? Rumi's metaphorical quote invites introspection into the self-imposed limitations that hold individuals back from freedom and growth. It questions why people cling to familiar constraints or limitations when freedom and opportunities await. It encourages embracing change and seizing opportunities for personal liberation. The quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. This quote emphasizes the value of silence, reflection, and inner listening. It suggests that by quieting the mind and external distractions, one gains clarity and deeper insight. It invites individuals to embrace stillness, allowing them to perceive wisdom, intuition, and guidance from within. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. This quote highlights the importance of aligning one's passions with actions. It suggests finding purpose and fulfillment by engaging in activities that resonate deeply with the heart. Thank you for learning Rumi's wisdom with us till the end. Now, it's time for the best quote, and here is it. You were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life? Rumi's metaphor of wings symbolizes human potential. It prompts individuals to break free from self-imposed limitations and fully embrace their capabilities. Rumi's quotes often offer insights into spirituality, self-discovery, love, and personal transformation. For many, these timeless messages provide solace, guidance, and encouragement to embrace life's journey with authenticity, compassion, and a deeper sense of purpose. Their impact lies in their ability to inspire individuals to reflect, evolve, and seek a deeper connection with themselves and the world around them. Don't forget to subscribe. Verbal Voyager is always here to share the timeless wisdom.